85 Series Thermal Brake Sliding Door Installation Guide. First, fit the frame and secure it with screws at the four corners. Ensure that the walls are level and that the angles are 90 degrees vertical. Fit the door frame to the wall, then apply sealant to the four corners. Before installing the door leaves, we need to familiarize ourselves with the position of each door leaf. Once you have familiarized yourself with the door specifications, you can begin the installation. For the first door, ensure that the position of the upper track roller is correct and that it is aligned with the lower track roller. The installation of each subsequent door will follow the same principle as the first one. It is generally recommended to install the door frame first and the door leaf last. As shown in the diagram, we will be guided by detailed drawings throughout the installation process. Let us now install all the doors one by one. Please note that care must be taken when fitting the top edge and aligning the bottom edge.
Finally, we've included the principles behind hinge adjustment.